the moment, tonight is the night.
Hey guys, it's Crypto Meow Analysis coming at you with a quick update video on Dogelon Mars. So I'm actually making all my videos today because it's Saturday, I don't have work, and yeah, I'm gonna just bust out all these videos. I did want to start with Dogelon Mars because it seems like if I post this video on itself, because a lot of people come here to watch Dogelon Mars videos, so I kind of want to separate it and post this video first before I start flooding my channel with all the update videos that I make. Anyway, so let's get right into it. Obviously we have a nice move up, but remember, like, just keep your head on straight and don't go crazy and go, oh my god, we're going to the moon, because like we're not yet, at least. So as you can see, I love that, as you can see. I hate saying that. So we are over the 236 at around 2050. Actually, yeah, we are above the 236 at around 2050, so this is good. The next area is going to be the 382, and that is around a 61% increase from the current price. Keep in mind that we can still hit the 382 and fall off the table, and basically, yeah, like do something like this, consolidate, fall by the next leg up. So just keep that in mind, and that would be a big drop, kind of like it was here. So don't be discouraged. Like, again, you shouldn't be buying on the way up, because look, it went all the way down. It went down 59%. So the people that bought the top are down like 60% now. So just FYI, don't do that. From the low to the high, as you can see, we bounced from the 618. We really didn't tag it, but we basically almost tagged it. We broke over the 0.5 resistance. So remember, this can still hit the 382 from the low to the high and still be bearish. Let me look at what the RSI is though. Yeah, so the stock RSI is max bullish, I guess. Bearish, bullish. But it just does mean that it's going to reset, right? And when this goes down, typically the price does come back down. So as long as we could stay over 1975 with the sell-off and have this reset, then we should be solid. Again, there's a lot of ifs and buts, and this is like on the daily. On the macro, we already know it's going to go up, so like we shouldn't really worry about it. We already have our coins. I still need 7.6 billion coins, but I'm not going to buy on the way up, right? And I think like the biggest reason why I'm telling you guys that is because hopefully we are all on the same page and we have our coins and we're going to play it smart and buy when it's in the red, right? I've been saying this since August of last year, right? Or whenever I started actually making videos and posting them 6 months ago, 7 months ago. You want to buy when when the RSI is oversold. So you want to buy here, right? Because you're still up from your position. So the next time this goes back down, the best thing we can do is we can just see how low it can go and what resistance points it's going to hit. So like if this thing comes back down here at this point, I don't think that this is going to be in the red, okay? So at this point, I think that it needs to go much lower. That's why I think that this is going to actually go a lot higher and it's going to make a higher high because we're in a bull run. And look, last time we're in a bull run, whenever we're in a bull run, we make higher highs and higher lows. So we were here at 23, and then how many days was that? October to November, December, January, February. 4 more months. It took us 4 months consolidation. We made a higher high. The higher high was registered on March 24th, right? So March, April, May, June, July. So in July, so say like, July. Damn, that's another 2 months. That's not bad. May, June, July. So 2 more months. So we're here, right? So okay, we're gonna go here, come back down, chop up, and then we're gonna make a higher high, right? So and a higher low. Over here, we didn't tag it, so I can't really say we made a higher low. So over here, wherever it's gonna be, the 0.5, whatever, it's gonna make a higher low and a higher high. So it's really important to stay focused on this. This stuff doesn't, like, I know it's frustrating. You just want to become a millionaire, blah, blah, blah. But it doesn't work like that. You have to be patient. You have to hold. And yeah, like, you know, Rome wasn't built in one day, blah blah blah, whatever. You guys get my drift and understand what I'm putting down. So, um, but I was getting at, I do think that if this thing actually does come up, we are going to get a higher high much sooner than July. And then obviously some sort of breakdown followed by continuation up. So that's just my opinion. Um, I don't think that we're gonna go back down right now, especially because look, Bitcoin is at 67,000, right? So it really just depends what Bitcoin's gonna do. But remember what I said in my last video, that we are still in this channel, right? So it could hit the 382 for resistance, 2341. So it could still hit this and then kind of fall off the table, right? And then we're still going to be stuck in this channel. Where is it at? Oh, there we go. Right? So we could still come back up, come back down. And do I think that's going to happen? Probably not. But again, this is a selling point, 2341. So what is that? Around a 10% increase, 12% increase from the current price. You should know all this because the way I look at it is like I'm still accumulating, but I hate, like, you want to accumulate when it's going down, not up. So again, you don't want to buy when it's going up. You want to buy at the perfect timing, which in my opinion is when the RSI is something that's stupid, something that's simple, where you buy when it's extremely oversold, because look, like the history shows, it always bounces from there, right? Anyway, how high do I think Dogelon Mars can go? I always say this because I get new viewers. So if Dogelon Mars breaks its all-time high, we're going to 402, which right as of today is a 100x. So if you put in 10K, I'm not saying put in 10K, I'm saying put in all your money. No, I'm just joking. Totally joking, not financial advice. Obviously, this is all just my guess and my opinion. If you put in 10K, theoretically, it could get to, what's 100 times that? Like a million. After taxes, you're looking at around 500, 600K. The reason why I do think that it's going to hit that is because like that still puts the market cap at under what, 10 billion? Yeah, so it puts the market cap at 10 billion. Do I think that's possible? Yeah, I think that's possible. So let's look at the website and the Etherscan. No new news on Rufus chain. Let's see. Okay, so $2.7 million on Binance Peg Wallet. Last in was 17 days ago, 50 million. Let's look at crypto.com so the people aren't like, oh my god, he's saying Binance is going to, or Binance is buying. Oh my gosh, Binance is buying. No, I didn't say that. Gosh, it sucks that I have to clarify that. But haters gonna hate anyway, so it doesn't matter. So last in transaction 13. Yeah, so there's a lot more activity on crypto.com, obviously. Let's look at the Burn wallet really quick before we go. Yeah, it's still 65, so there's no in transactions. Yeah, the last one was OKX. So other than that, I mean, that's basically it. We're still kind of, bearish, I guess. We're above the 236, but we really need to stay above the 382, and then we can start doing those monster runs. Yeah, that's it. That's all I got. Thank you so much for your guys' support. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you.